Okay, so I've taken the tape off the top of the vials, and I've actually loosened the vials kind of like this, so that once I get my semi-robotic action going, I don't have to worry about loosening each vial. Now, I've put a stopper in the bottom of the sink, and what I need to do is to put in a splash of bleach, maybe a bigger splash. It takes about an ounce per 5 gallons for sterilizing stuff. And in this case, what we're trying to do is to kill any phytoplankton that we're throwing out. Most of the stuff we have, or most of the species we have are not harmful, but we have some genetically modified clones, and those we absolutely have to kill before dispensing. So half an hour in the sink should be fine. Okay, so I've loosened all the caps, and now I want to show you how this semi-robotic system works. Cut this out later, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just stick a transition in there or something.
Like elevator music. That'd be pretty fun.
I could do that.
Okay, alright. Go back?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, these tubes are going to soak in microcleaner and then be rinsed from microcleaner, soak in acid, and then go through a series of additional rinses. So one thing what we do is we take the cap off, throw it in a jar. This is RO water, and we basically go up and down like that, so if there's any cells on the bottom, they'll be scraped off. And then you can place them in this rack upside down. And it's slow right now because I haven't done this in a while and I'm talking. But eventually you can get a system where both of your hands are busy. So this one is doing that. This one's rinsing while the next one's getting ready. And I timed myself about a year ago, and it was something like 20 minutes to clean 24 vials of this stuff. Maybe a little bit less. Now you want to look on the bottom of the tubes, because some people throw out their tubes like this, but there's a lot of dead algae on the bottom. If that doesn't come off, you might want to squirt it with a little isopropyl alcohol on the bottom, or some methanol. Don't use acetone, because acetone will mess up the polycarbonate. And these tubes are about $10 a piece, because they can withstand 50,000 Gs in a centrifuge. So we use polycarbonate because it's relatively inert, it's relatively transparent to visible wavelengths of light, and we can get a trace metal clean relatively easily. So I'm just going to finish this rack in this kind of automated motion. And you find it gets more, your motions get more fluid as the more you do it. Okay, cut.